Rejoice, O mankind, for the Celestial Virgin Astraea is coming. She is returning to earth to bring us out of the age of degradation and usher in a new golden age. Long have we suffered through the age of iron. Long have justice and righteousness been absent from the earth. But behold, Astraea is returning to mankind as prophesied by Virgil. She has blessed our Sibylline with divine revelations of her return and the coming golden age where she shall reign over mankind and usher in an age of peace and prosperity. We the Sibylline have been tasked by Astraea to spread the word and prepare humanity for her return. The new era will bring about great change that will shock the world to its very core. But worry not, for we are here to guide you through this period of great transition. Fear not the coming new era, but rejoice and welcome the new age and celebrate the return of Astraea. The age of Astraea shall be an age of peace and prosperity for all of humanity. An age of spiritual renewal and liberation. A new beginning for mankind. Join us on our journey and become part of history. Rejoice, for the age of Astraea is upon us.